rather be.
BICTH, and in that order.
Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
What it do, baby? Yeah.
if you are a returning subscriber,
Cousin. What's up, cousin? What's up?
in today's video, I did this Megan Thee Stallion inspired makeup look. I was recently watching a few of her interviews and she had this middle part bob and this golden cut crease, so I decided to try and do that myself, and this is what I came up with. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. So today I'm going to be doing a Megan Thee Stallion inspired look. I saw this look in her Genius interview, and it was some other interview I saw. I put a picture up here so you can see what look I'm talking about, but I'm gonna be using my Aina palette. Y'all, it's busted, disgusted. It's my fault, I dropped it. Half that's gone, all of that is gone. But I'm gonna be using Credit and Ginger and probably Dwallas, and I'll probably use Soleil. I'll take my Morphe M441 and I'm gonna go into Credit first. How have y'all been during this pandemic?
What are y'all doing?
Because I have been in the house for the most part. Only time I go out is to the grocery store, and if I go to my grandma's house, go wash at my grandma's house. So, because I don't want to use these washers and dryers in my apartment. That's pretty much all I've been doing. I haven't been doing much of anything. I'm gonna go into Ginger next. Blend that out above Credit. But besides going, if I go somewhere like the grocery store, my grandma's house, I've been in the house, I've been streaming, and I've been keeping y'all on TikTok. So follow me on TikTok. I be on TikTok. I downloaded it just because I was bored and I want to see what all the hype is about, but I got stuck. Like, I be on there often. Got this wig on because she had her hair done like this. Mine's a bit shorter, but it still works. This is the Bobby Ballzina wig. And let me tell y'all, the first place I'm going to when we get out of quarantine, when they open back up the world, I'm going to get my eyebrows done and my lip wax.
Okay.
That's the first place I'm going. I can't believe my lip look like this. It ain't enough concealer in the world when I put on makeup, which I haven't really put none on since I've been in the house, but still, there ain't enough concealer in the world that can cover this stash up. Let's address the fact that this family is growing. We have reached 1,000 subscribers this past week. It's Easter Sunday, so happy Easter. If you celebrate it. If you don't celebrate it, then I just hope that you guys are having a great Sunday, or had a great Sunday. I'm grateful for each and every one of you guys. So hopefully we just continue to grow, and it's only up from here. Like, y'all, I was so shocked that I hit 1,000 subscribers because I never thought that I would, honestly. All right, so I'm gonna cut the crease, and I'm gonna use this Morphe M124 in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. One thing I have noticed, that her cut creases are not super high. I think she stopped it about right there. But I just always have to go above a little bit because I don't really have a crease. So I'm gonna take Soleil right here. Got that like that. Y'all, I've been watching the mess out of Tabitha Brown because I haven't told y'all, but I do not eat meat anymore, going on about 3 months now. Whenever I forgot which video it was, but I had told y'all that I wasn't feeling well, and my doctor gave me like a list of suggested foods, and it didn't really look like it was a bunch of meat on there, so I decided, you know, why not? Let's give no meat a try. And y'all, I have felt better than I have in a while, and I actually, believe it or not, I don't miss meat. Like, I can live without it. Like, I will be just fine without it. Come on, dolls. Thought you was gonna show up for me. Then we're just gonna blend out the edges so it don't be as harsh. Both eyes are done. This is always my best looking eye. Just gonna do the rest of my face real quick. And I'm gonna color correct now. This don't really do nothing, because if you got hair, you're gonna see it regardless, but it just makes me feel better.
Is on the beat.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, I'm gonna go ahead and need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time I upload. I mean, it's free. You don't get charged for it. I mean, go ahead and do it. I mean, why not? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video.